isa sa maaaring dahilan kung bakit naririto ka sa video na to is because you want to learn about the title of this video. Or maybe there is an activity that requires the title, or you just really want to learn about subtraction of integers. Well, you are in the right place because in this video, I will be teaching you, or I will be discussing about subtraction of integers. So if you want to know more, to learn more about this specific topic, then just keep on watching. This is one of the most important thing that you have to be familiar with when it comes to subtraction of integers. So to subtract integers, we are actually using this definition. So we have a minus b is equal to a plus the quantity of negative b. So this definition shows that we are just actually adding the minuend, and then we get the opposite of our subtrahend, and we keep the sign of our minuend. So we are just going to have, or we are going to have an example so that you will understand this definition. So let's start with the first example. So for the first example, okay. So I will not going to erase the definition that is written in this whiteboard so that I can show you the definition from time to time after this this example. So like for example, we have positive 2 plus negative, positive 2 minus negative 4. Okay. So we will start with the first example, which is positive 2 minus negative 4. So if we are going to apply the definition, this is the definition. So that is a minus b. This is a minus b. So according to the definition, we are going to add the minuend. We are going to add the minuend. So our minuend here is positive 2. We're going to add to the subtrahend. But before adding that to the subtrahend, we are just going to first get the opposite of our subtrahend. So our subtrahend here is negative 4. So if we're going to get the opposite of negative 4, that is definitely positive 4. Positive 4. Okay? So positive 2 plus positive 4 is positive 6. So meaning positive 2 minus negative 4 is positive 6 by applying the definition. Let us have another one. How about this one? Suppose that we have a negative 5 minus negative 3. Okay? So this one, negative 5 plus negative 5 minus negative 3. So again, we are going to add the minuend. So this will be negative 5 plus get the opposite of your subtrahend. So negative 3, the opposite of negative 3 is positive 3. So if you can still remember in our previous lesson, which is all about the addition of integers, we actually have there the song which is sounds like the row 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 your boat. I don't know the exact title of the song, but the song goes like this. If you can still remember, same sign add and keep, different sign subtract, keep the sign of the higher number, they will be exact. So you can actually see here that it is already in addition form. It is actually in the addition form, so that you can actually apply the the song, in the in addition of integers, we are actually adding two integers here. So if we have different sign like this, so this is -5 and then a -5 and a +3, diba? It's, you are going to subtract and then you are going to get the sign of the higher number, if you can still remember. If you don't remember how you are going to add integers, I have my video there, just see on my YouTube channel. So this is a -5 plus +3. So they are different sign, you're going to subtract them. So this will be 5 minus 3 is 2. And then you keep the sign of the higher number. So the higher number is 5 because 5 is higher than 2. And the sign of 5 is negative. So the answer is -2. So you can actually if you can notice that from subtraction, we actually converted it into addition. Because addition is just the opposite operation of subtraction. And subtraction as well is the opposite operation of addition. Another example. How about +4 minus -5? So, I want you to try this. So +4, so I was not able to write positive sign. But remember this, if there is no sign in the beginning of our any integers, that means it is a positive. That is a positive number. So if there is no positive sign here, it is automatically positive unless there is a -1, because that is automatically a negative. So +4 minus -5, so that will be +9. That is correct. How? So you are going to get the sum of the minuend and then get the opposite of your subtrahend. So this will be from +5, that will be from -5, that will become +5. And +4 plus 5 is simply +9. Okay, so as simple as that. Another example. How about if we have two negative numbers? -2 minus -7. How about this one? So we have two negative integers that is being subtracted. So we have -2 minus -7. So you're still going to apply the definition wherein you are going to add the minuend to the opposite of our subtrahend. So this will be -2 plus the opposite of your minuend of your subtrahend is from -7. So the opposite will be +7. So this will be addition of integers once again. So -2 plus 7, that is definitely +5. Because they are different sign, you have to subtract them and then you keep the sign of the higher number. So +5. Let us have another example para mas lalo ninyong maintindihan at maunawaan kung paano ba ang mag-subtract ng integers. Okay. So how about let's have -2 minus +4. Okay. So -2 plus minus -4. So same, applied definition. -2, your minuend, add to your subtrahend. But before adding that, you must get the opposite of your subtrahend. So from +4, so this will become -4. So applying the rule of addition of integers. So if we have same sign, you are just going to add and then keep the sign. So -2 plus -4 is, they are same sign, so that is actually -6. As simple as that. So I want you to try this. I want you to try this and then write your answer in the comment section so that I can see if you really understand how to subtract an integers. So try this. So we have 2 minus 4, negative 2 minus negative 3, 4 minus negative 7. Okay, so I hope you learned something from this video, and I hope you can actually apply the knowledge that you have learned here in your modules, in the activities that you have. And that's it. So that's all. God bless.